watching this Children's Day special virtual assembly. To be successful in life, what you need is education. With this famous quote by Jawaharlal Nehru, we are going to start our assembly. Myself, Ganga, will be the host of the day. Today's virtual assembly will be conducted by the students of class 7. We are dedicating this virtual assembly to our beloved society. Friends, we all know that school life is the most important part of our life and it's a treasure of memories. Unfortunately, now we have lost that treasure because of COVID-19 or coronavirus. So, not only our school, but the schools around the world are trying to give you those wonderful moments through online classes. To continue the teaching learning process in a proper way during this testing time, we are organizing virtual assemblies every week. Let me welcome you all to this special assembly. Prayer is the key to the morning and love of the night. So let's welcome Farhanet's and Bhavani's Ashok to begin today's assembly with the prayer.
Prayer. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful, praise be to God, the cherisher and sustainer of the world, most gracious, most merciful, master of the day of judgment, thee do we worship, and thine aid we seek, the way of those on who those has bestowed thy grace, those souls is not right, and who go not astray.
Culture, tradition and diversity. Let's pledge to mean in our heritage.
Pledge. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
my
my brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of it.
Proud of it.
Rich and
Very
very heritage.
heritage.
I shall always
I shall always
try to be worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall give my parents,
I should give my parents,
teachers,
and
and all elders
all elders
respect
respect
and shall treat everyone
and shall treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge my devotion.
I pledge my devotion.
In the well-being
In the well-being
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Thank you, Barna. News is the first draft of history. On these challenging circumstances, it's very important us to be updated with what is happening around us. So we have Nasriness to share the current happenings with us.
Good morning all of you. I am Nasrin of class 7B. News headlines, national news. BJP makes big gains in assembly by polls in 11 states. Farmers swing on Delhi march. International news. Biden defends Obama-era healthcare law. US Vice President Kamala Harris is made for great things, says aunt. State news. Health action plan ready for Shabarimala. Referendum in KSRTC. CPIM defends smart classroom projects. Sports news. Olympic test events early next year. Full action for IPL 2021. Weather report. Maximum temperature 34 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 29 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Thank you, Nasrin. Good thoughts naturally converts into good actions. One small post-it note in the morning can change the entire outcome of the day. So let's welcome Irfana S for Thought for the Day.
Good morning to all my friends and my respected teachers. So today's thought is, education is the passport for future, for belongs to those who are prepared for it today. In most regions, education is compulsory for a certain age. Education makes our knowledge of the world around us into something better. So I repeat, today's thought is, education is the passport for future, for belongs to those who are prepared for it today. Thank you and have a nice day and stay safe, stay home.
Thank you, Irfana. In the memory of Chachaji, in this pandemic situation, we are celebrating Children's Day through this special assembly. Now, let me welcome our Chachaji to this special assembly.
A very warm good morning to one and all. I feel so happy to share this moment with all of you. We live in a wonderful world that is full of beauty, charm and adventure. There is no end to the adventures we can have, if only we seek them with our eyes open. Every child is a different kind of flower and all together make this world a beautiful garden. Children, you are the future of our country. You have the power to make India the greatest nation on earth. Children are very valuable asset for the future of the nation. So, they should get proper education. I strongly believe that teachers play as a big role as parents in shaping children's life and mold them into a powerful and successful person. I wish you all may you make the best of your childhood, realize your every dreams and make us and the whole India proud. My heartfelt love to all of you, and once again I wish you all joy and success in whatever you do.
Thank you, Chachaji, for those valuable words. It's time for some entertainment, and for that, we have a special program for you. Now, let me welcome our friends for the special program. Watch and enjoy. That was fantastic. Thank you, my dear friends, for entertaining us. Now I request our HR, Mrs. Rajasri teacher, to motivate all of us through her words of wisdom. Teacher, please.
Good morning, respected principal, colleagues and my dear students. Today we are having the virtual assembly by the students of 7th standard. First of all, let me congratulate the class teachers and students for coordinating this program. Success does not come too easily. You have to work hard and achieve it. Polish and refine whatever talents that you have gained. Go forward in life with a twinkle in your eyes and a smile on your face, but with a great and strong purpose in your hearts. Make sure that you use your time wisely. Wake up with a goal in mind and work for it. Don't worry about what you couldn't achieve yesterday and think of the great things today has for you. Think what is ahead and how to make use of every moment in a fruitful manner. Success of a teacher also depends on the hard work of students, and I have been truly blessed with some wonderful students in my career. Meeting all the wonderful students in this journey gave me an opportunity to learn something new from each one of them. All of you know the importance of November 14th. So, happy Children's Day to all of you. Thank you, stay safe and stay healthy.
Thank you, teacher. We indeed grateful to you for your timely advice and guidance. So, friends, it's time to wind up the show. Let me thank all the well-wishers for extending their wholehearted support. And a special thanks to our principal, Mr. Sadish Babu sir, and vice principal, Mrs. Lashmi Karmachandra teacher, and Mrs. Sujata teacher, and our HR, Mrs. Rajasri teacher, and our beloved class teachers, Mrs. Abdul teacher, Mrs. Manju Krishna teacher, and Mrs. Manju teacher, for organizing this visual assembly. Thank you all for watching today's Children's Day special visual assembly. Have a pleasant day. God bless you all.